Let's talk about the different types of doctors that are in this neuropathy field. You've got your classically trained, typical medical trained. This isn't meant to be negative, but they are pharmaceutically trained and they see through the lens of pharmacy. That's why Dr. Casey Means out of Stanford, young doctor, wonderful, testified before Congress that she didn't learn one single hour of nutrition or alternative care in her entire med school surgical training. That's why you're going to get the gabapentins and the spinal stimulators and wound care, etc. That's the lens they look through. Most of everyone else in this space is going to be chiropractors. Now, there's some medical that have gone to alternate training, functional training, etc., and we welcome them in that space, but most of it's going to be chiropractic. And for some of you older generation, that's a little bit of a hesitation. And I understand that because chiropractors got a lot of bad press from the pharmaceutical companies for many, many, many years. It is the most persecuted profession in the history of the United States or the world, for that matter. They were getting thrown in jail until 1974 and didn't win the antitrust lawsuit until 1991, as dictated by the Supreme Court. The thing is, with chiropractic, they are the largest profession in the United States that is dedicated to natural healing. They're not trained by the pharmaceutical. They actually have deep dives. You cannot go into chiropractic without getting really good education in nutrition. Nutrition is a part of it. It's a part of the board exams. It's part of natural healing is part of it. Trying to ask the question, how do we help the body heal? And how do we do it naturally? And they paid a tremendous price to hold on to that truth. And I think as time goes on, that truth has become more and more evident. So I wouldn't hesitate at all to go to a chiropractor. And believe me, many of them understand the older population are scared of that, and maybe they don't advertise that. But trust me, they're probably going to be the ones most likely to be able to help you with this. So when you're looking for one, find one you trust and go with them.